Hey there, gamers and office workers. If you're in need of a comfortable and supportive chair that will keep you feeling great even during those long gaming sessions or work days, then you've come to the right place. Introducing the PC Gaming Chairs Ergonomic Office Chairs Cheap Desk Chair Executive Task Computer Chair Back Support Modern Executive Adjustable. First and foremost, let's talk about comfort. This high-back gaming chair is thickly cushioned and covered with breathable premium PU leather, ensuring maximum comfort and support for your spine and neck. But that's not all. This chair also comes equipped with freely adjustable lumbar support and a headrest pillow, so you can say goodbye to those pesky aches and pains. But it's not just about comfort. This chair is also designed for maximum mobility. With a BIFMA-certified heavy-duty metal base and 360 degrees range of motion on smooth rolling nylon casters, you'll have no trouble gliding between workstations or maneuvering around during intense gaming sessions. And the best part? This chair is easy to assemble, so you'll be set up and ready to go in no time. Plus, with a customer guarantee and a heavy-duty metal base, you can rest assured that this chair is built to last. So what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to the ultimate gaming and office chair experience. Click the link in the description to purchase the PC Gaming Chairs Ergonomic Office Chairs Cheap Desk Chair Executive Task Computer Chair Back Support Modern Executive Adjustable and take the first step towards a more comfortable and productive work or gaming environment. You won't regret it.